Hi everyone, we're going to do 2 times 11, and I've got Amelia here with me today, and she's just starting to multiply, right?
Yeah.
So 2 times 11, you can think of that as 2 groups of 11, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to write down then 11 plus 11.
Okay.
And then I'm going to break things out so that people can really see these numbers, okay?
Okay.
So there's 5.
10.
And hopefully I'm going to arrange them so that everyone can just flash their eyes at this and see. So do you agree that that's 11?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, okay. And then how about this one? I'm going to do the exact same thing in green for the other 11. And do you agree that that's just 11 when you flash your eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like 5 and 5 is 10.
Yeah.
Plus
and
1
then you
more.
just add 1 more and it's 11.
Yeah, perfect. But I'm going to put these in a line, okay?
Okay.
So I'm not taking anything away. I'm just moving things into a line.
Can I put these in the line?
Yeah, and you know what? I'm going to try to make things even easier for us. And you know what I'm going to do is I'll just wait for you to finish, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do to make things even easier.
Okay.
So instead of these 5s here,
Okay.
can I swap them out for bars?
Yeah.
Because then it's going to be super easy.
Yeah.
Yep, you can just take those away, and we'll trade those 10 in for, check out this bar that I've got over here. I've got this bar right here. So that's like 10, right? Instead of those 10 that are sitting there.
Yeah.
And here, I'll just pull at this. Okay, we're good. We've got 10, 11.
Yep.
Perfect. And then we've got 10. And then we've got 11.
Yeah.
So to figure out 11 plus 11, or 2 times 11, we have to figure out the total amount here.
Yeah.
How do you want to do that?
Maybe we could do 10 plus 10 and then do 2 plus 2.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. So you're going to split this 11 into 10 and 1.
Yeah.
And this one into 10 and 1. And that like makes it really easy here because check this out. We're going to draw a line because there's like an invisible wall there. And the same thing for this one. And then you said you're going to take 10.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And then this other 10.
Yeah. And then that equals 20.
That equals 20. And then we take these extra 2.
And that becomes 2.
Yeah, so then together they're 22. So 2 times 11, what does that equal?
22.
Do you want to write it up there?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Great job. Hi, everyone. We're going to do 2 times 11. And Louie's going to help us out. Now, Louie, some people when they read this, it's like 2 groups of 11. And sometimes it's 11 groups of 2.
Yeah.
Now, I know a lot of kids who love skip counting by 2s.
Yeah.
So let's think of this as 11 groups of 2, okay? And then you can just help us skip count, and maybe you can even keep track on your fingers for us. So I'll start us off. So that's 1 group of 2, right?
So 1, 2.
Okay, and we're going to bring out 11 groups of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here, we can go 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to bring out 2 more.
4.
Okay, and can you just show us, hold your fingers up really, really high so that we can see it? Okay.
Now, it is 6.
Yeah. And then we have this, which will give us. So that's 4 groups of 2,
Yeah.
right? 8.
8.
Okay. And then let's do this again.
10. So then 5.
Yeah. We're going to be here for a while, okay?
12. So then
That's 6 groups of 2, and
14. So then 7. This would be 8. And then,
so 8 groups of 2 would give you 16. And then 9 groups of 2 would give you
15.
10 groups of 2.
Get you to 20.
And then 1 more, right? Okay, and that's going to get us to 22.
Yeah, so I'm just going to get just
Oh, it's hard after 10, hey? So there's 22 dots here, right? And there's 10 groups of 2, or 11 groups of 2, sorry. Can you see a way that you could have done it way faster if you, like, instead of doing groups of 2 11 times, skip counting by 2? How?
You could do 11 plus 11.
11 plus 11. So here, this is 10 plus 10 is 20.
Yep.
That's 2 more.
Yeah.
So instead of looking at it this way, you could have just looked at it.
Yeah.
So 2 times 11 equals 22.
Yeah.
That was awesome, right?
Thanks. Bye.